What's all the hype behind puppy yoga? Personally, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but let's get into it. Hi, I'm Daisy and I recently became a puppy yoga instructor, and honestly, it's the cutest thing you could ever imagine. Before you even arrive, the setup is already there, meaning there's music, a person waiting for you at the reception, a place to put your clothes on. The class in regards to yoga is fairly simple, which means everybody can do it. Personally, I like to focus on poses that would be very easy to do if you have a puppy around. And that's what I center my class around, just giving you different poses that you can do with your puppy. And obviously, the best part of the class is when the puppies come out, giving you all the energy, all the love, and all the kisses you might need. And yes, everybody gets some time with puppies. So I think we've answered